Ever thought about how your life could change if you were pulling in an extra $1,000 every single day? Well, let's take a moment to picture that. But here's the deal. I'm not just asking you to daydream. I want you to truly embrace the idea that this can be your reality. Why? Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 kick-ass online side gigs that have been tried, tested, and proven to be money makers. And guess what? These gigs don't just flirt with the idea of $1,000 a day. Some of them can send your earnings soaring way beyond that. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Along the way, I'm going to throw in some real-life stories of folks who've cracked the code on these side hustles. Plus, I'll give you a step-by-step on how you can jump right in. First up on the side hustle parade, creating and selling product labels. Now check this out. There's this seller, DIY by Custom Minted, who's pulled in a staggering $314,000 on Etsy by selling, you guessed it, product labels. What are these labels, you ask? They're those beautifully branded packaging labels that jazz up products and make them look oh so professional. And here's the jaw-dropper. They're a hot commodity on platforms like Etsy and Creative Market. Don't believe me? Just type product labels into the Etsy search bar and watch the magic unfold. Now, I know you might be thinking, hold on, isn't the market swamped with product labels already? You've got a point, my friend. It might seem like the market's all dressed up and nowhere to go, but here's the kicker. A saturated market means one thing. There is a legit demand for this stuff. It's like a green light for your entrepreneurial spirit. Now let's get down to brass tacks. How do you get your piece of the label-loving pie? Well, fear not, because I've uncovered a gem of a website called Kiddle. This baby's a game changer. Guess what? You don't need to be Picasso to whip up high-quality labels that people will actually pay for. So, imagine you're in Kiddle right now. Go ahead and open that tab. You hit up the link in the video description, sign up for free, yes, $0. And suddenly, you're staring at a buffet of label templates. Click on labels and boom, your creative journey begins. Take a look at the pre-made templates. They're like little creative playgrounds. And guess what else? Kittle's got your back on mock-ups too. You know those slick product images that make your labels pop? Kittle's got a stash of those ready to roll. A couple of clicks later and voila! You've got yourself a product image that's Etsy ready. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, moving on to the next group, creating and selling wedding and party greeting cards. Get this, there's this Etsy wizard who's hauled in over $5 million by selling digital greeting cards. That's like $83,000 a month. Crazy, right? And here's the kicker. This isn't rocket science. They're selling digital cards, people. This means close to zero overhead and big bucks in your pocket. Now let's get hands-on. Kittle's your creative haven, and boy does it have a treasure trove of greeting card templates. Think of them as your canvas, and you're the modern-day Picasso. You can customize these bad boys with a few clicks and create cards that people will go gaga for. From weddings to birthdays, you've got the power to craft cards that matter. Feeling inspired? Pinterest is your ticket to creative fuel. Look up calendar design and watch the ideas flow. Alright, let's keep the hustle train rolling. Ever thought about selling digital printables? It's a goldmine waiting to happen. A seller named Planner Kate made a jaw-dropping $8.6 million from printable goodies. Think digital stickers and planners. I mean, who knew your knack for organization can make you a mini millionaire, right? Kittle's got your back here too. It's like your secret weapon in the digital craft world. Alright, one more stop on the Hustle Express, selling t-shirts. Imagine this, a seller who's raked in nearly $16 million by selling graphic tees. And guess what? This can be a nearly automated moneymaker. Thanks to Kittle's slick designs, you're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from creating your own t-shirt empire. The best part? You're not chained to a desk. this can be done on your terms. So there you have it, your backstage pass to 4 seriously cool side hustles. We're talking dollars, creativity, and a whole lot of heck yeah! Remember, these are not just flimsy ideas. These are cash cows that people are milking every day. So don't just sit there. Dive in and grab your piece of the action. You've got this, and I'm here cheering you on. Keep rockin' and catch you on the flip side. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!